Negotiations between the Egyptian government and the United States, U.S., are reportedly underway for the acquisition of the advanced Boeing F-15 Advanced Eagle multirole fighter jet. The multi-billion-dollar acquisition plan includes up to 46 F-15 Advanced Eagles, which are expected to replace the cancelled procurement of Su-35 Super Flankers from Russia. Initial signals confirming the U.S.'s willingness to supply F-15s to Egypt were made public in March 2022 during a hearing of the U.S. Senate Armed Services Committee. At that time, General Frank McKenzie, commander of U.S. Central Command, CENTCOM, explicitly stated that the U.S. would supply Egypt with F-15 jets. However, although the U.S. has reportedly approved the deal in principle, neither the signing of the final contract nor the detailed configuration, production schedule, or delivery plans have been made public. Egypt was initially believed to be seeking a modern variant similar to the F-15SA, Saudi Arabia, or F-15QA, Qatar. But U.S. export restrictions and regional political sensitivities continue to affect the pace and substance of negotiations. The potential introduction of advanced variants of the F-15 to Egypt could align with Cairo's long-term plans to modernize and diversify its air force. The Egyptian Air Force's current fighter fleet includes approximately 218 F-16A Fighting Falcons, 24 Dassault Rafales delivered with an additional 31 on order, as well as older fighter jets such as the Mirage 2000, Mirage 5, and MiG-29M2. Egypt had previously attempted to acquire Sukhoi Su-35 aircraft from Russia, but these efforts reportedly failed due to concerns regarding the U.S. countering America's adversaries through Sanctions Act, COTSA, and interoperability issues with Western systems. As a result, the Egyptian Air Force is looking for alternatives from Western suppliers, particularly those offering long-range multirole fighters with heavy payload capacities. The integration of the F-15 will expand the Egyptian Air Force's capacity for air superiority and long-range strike missions, providing longer endurance, greater payload flexibility, and better sensor integration compared to existing platforms. Israel, while traditionally wary of U.S. arms sales to its neighbors, reportedly supports the idea of transferring F-15s to Egypt. Tel Aviv views it as a way to strengthen U.S.-Egypt defense ties and maintain regional stability under a controlled framework. However, U.S. law still requires Washington to maintain Israel's qualitative military edge, QME, which could limit Egypt's access to advanced radar modes, advanced missiles like the AIM-120D, or certain electronic warfare, EW, technologies.